Hello everyone and happy Monday. So today we are going to be doing a reading lesson. So if you're missing this lesson, here's a little video just to catch you up. We missed you today in class. So first, during our reading lesson, we went through our alphabet song, which you all should know with our hand motions and our big smiles and the correlations between the letter and the sound. So go ahead and do that all the way, A through Z. Do it a couple of times. Show your family what we do every day during reading with our alphabet. After that, we went into centers. So our first center would be our sight word go fish game. You can take a deck of cards home with you and you can play at home with your siblings or family, and you know how to play this game. We've played it before. So find a partner, get a deck of the sight words going, and play until your heart desires. Center 2 is going to be our CVC word matching. So first you'll grab a worksheet, which I'll have some for you to take home, and then you can take home and do, and you'll start matching. Once you see the word and the picture that goes along together, you can go ahead and match those and write them alongside of the worksheet. So you can do this. And then finally, center 3, which you can do at home with mom or dad, older sibling, grandparents, whoever you like. We will be reading the Rapunzel book, and it is the version of the Rapunzel from India. So we're going to be learning a little bit more about their culture. And you'll just go through and read and make sure that you're just reading well. And I might even do this one with you again in class. So just go ahead and practice if you'd like, or I'll just catch you up in class. Finally, your exit ticket for our reading lesson will be to grab a letter from the bin, which I'll have a letter picked for you, and then you'll create a word from that letter. So you'll draw a picture to represent that word, and then you'll give it to me on your way out. So super fun, and you can go ahead and give that to me as your proof that you went through and did this lesson at home. So hope you guys have a great day and you're feeling better and everything is great. Excited to see you.